Look at a globe. See Earth, our home. It seems vast with oceans, continents, mountains, and deserts. We have bustling cities, quiet countrysides, and icy poles. From space, Earth shrinks. It becomes a pale blue dot, a fragile oasis in the vastness of space. Our journey begins here, on this tiny planet we call home. Let's take a trip. Our destination, Mars, the red planet. Our spacecraft will be fast, traveling at the speed of light. Even at this speed, it will take us minutes to reach Mars. That's much faster than any current technology, but still slow on the cosmic scale. Hold on tight. We're about to experience the true vastness of space. Let's talk about time for a moment. Even if we could drive to Mars, the journey would be incredibly long. We're talking centuries here. Think about it. You would need generations of drivers to reach our destination. The first astronauts to land on Mars will likely be born long after we launch the mission. Space travel is not for the impatient. So, we've established that driving to Mars is out of the question. But even at the speed of light, our journey is just beginning. The solar system, our cosmic neighborhood, is incredibly vast. It takes light, the fastest thing in the universe, over 5 hours to travel from the Sun to Pluto. And Pluto is just the tip of the iceberg. Beyond Pluto lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies left over from the formation of the solar system. It's like a giant cosmic donut, stretching billions of miles from the Sun. And even beyond that lies the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of icy objects thought to be the birthplace of comets. We're talking trillions of miles from Earth. We've arrived at Mars. It's a dusty red world with towering volcanoes and vast canyons. The thin atmosphere makes it feel alien and desolate. But even here, in this seemingly barren landscape, there's a sense of wonder. We're standing on another planet, a world that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. But our journey doesn't end here. Let's venture further out, beyond the inner rocky planets, to the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These behemoths dwarf our Earth, their swirling storms and majestic rings a testament to the power of nature. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so large that you could fit all the other planets inside it with room to spare. Imagine trying to drive across Jupiter. It would be like driving across the entire United States. But instead of roads, you have a swirling vortex of gas. And instead of a few days, it would take you years, decades even. The gas giants are truly colossal worlds, humbling in their scale and grandeur. We've traversed the solar system, a journey of billions of miles, but we're just getting started. The space between stars is vast, a seemingly empty void punctuated by the faint glow of distant suns. The nearest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.24 light-years away. That means it takes light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, over 4 years to reach us. Think about that for a moment. The light we see from Proxima Centauri today left the star over 4 years ago. When we look up at the stars, we are looking back in time. We are seeing these celestial objects as they were years, centuries, even millennia ago. The universe is a time machine, allowing us to glimpse the distant past. Imagine trying to drive to Proxima Centauri. Even at the speed of light, it would take us over 4 years. And that's just the nearest star. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is over 100,000 light-years across. It contains billions of stars, each one a potential sun with its own system of planets. The vastness of interstellar space is difficult to comprehend. It's not just empty space, it's filled with dust, gas, and radiation. It's a cosmic desert, dotted with oases of stars and planets. Traveling between these oases would be a monumental task, requiring technology far beyond our current capabilities. But let's say we could travel at the speed of light. What would we see? We would see a kaleidoscope of stars, each one a different color and size. We would see nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust where stars are born. We would see galaxies, islands of stars billions of light years away. The universe is a beautiful and awe-inspiring place. Imagine flying through a nebula, the colors swirling around you. Imagine seeing a star explode, a supernova brighter than 1 billion suns. Imagine witnessing the birth of a new star, a tiny point of light emerging from a cloud of gas and dust. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our journey through the cosmos. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral galaxy. Imagine a giant frisbee with spiral arms. That's our galaxy. Our sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way, located about 2/3 of the way out from the center in one of the spiral arms. We're pretty far out in the suburbs of our galaxy. When we look up at the night sky, we see the Milky Way as a band of light stretching across the heavens. That band of light is made up of billions of stars, so far away that they appear as a faint glow to our naked eye. It's a humbling thought, to realize that our sun is just one of countless stars in this vast cosmic structure. Imagine shrinking down the Milky Way to the size of a dinner plate. Our entire solar system from the sun to Pluto would be smaller than a grain of sand. And our sun would be just one of billions of grains of sand on that plate. It puts things into perspective, doesn't it? Beyond the Milky Way lies a universe of galaxies, each a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust. Just like stars cluster into galaxies, galaxies cluster into groups and clusters. Our Milky Way is part of the local group, a collection of about 50 nearby galaxies. The distances between galaxies are even more mind-boggling than the distances between stars. Our nearest major galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light we see from Andromeda today left that galaxy 2.5 million years ago, back when our ancestors were just beginning to evolve on Earth. Imagine trying to travel to Andromeda. Even at the speed of light, it would take us 2.5 million years. And that's just our next-door neighbor. The observable universe contains trillions of galaxies, stretching out billions of light-years in every direction. How do astronomers even begin to measure the vast distances involved in astronomy? They use a variety of techniques, but one of the most important is the cosmic distance ladder. This ladder uses different methods to measure distances to objects at increasing distances from Earth. For nearby stars, astronomers use a method called parallax. Just like our two eyes give us depth perception, astronomers can use the changing position of Earth in its orbit to measure the distance to nearby stars. For more distant objects, they use standard candles, objects of known brightness. By comparing the apparent brightness of a standard candle to its known luminosity, astronomers can calculate its distance. Imagine trying to measure the distance to a lighthouse. If you know the brightness of the lighthouse beam, you can estimate its distance by how bright or faint it appears. Astronomers use a similar principle to measure the distances to stars and galaxies, using objects of known brightness as their cosmic yardsticks. So where does this leave us? We've journeyed from our pale blue dot to the edge of the observable universe. We've encountered planets, stars, galaxies, and structures on scales that are difficult to comprehend. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of mystery, but perhaps the most amazing thing about the universe is not its size, but the fact that we exist at all. On this tiny planet, in this vast cosmos, life has emerged and evolved. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Imagine a vast cosmic ocean with galaxies like islands scattered across its surface. On one of these islands, on a tiny speck of dust, a civilization has emerged. They look up at the night sky and wonder, are we alone? It's a question that has haunted humanity for centuries, and one that we may never know the answer to. But even if we are alone in the universe, our journey of discovery is far from over. The universe is constantly expanding, pushing the boundaries of the observable universe further and further out. New discoveries are being made all the time, revealing the universe to be even more strange and wonderful than we ever imagined. We are living in a golden age of astronomy, with new telescopes and instruments allowing us to see further and deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is already revolutionizing our understanding of the early universe. And with each new discovery, our sense of awe and wonder only grows. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and possibility. Our journey through the cosmos has just begun. Who knows what wonders await us in the depths of space? One thing is for sure, the universe will continue to surprise and amaze us for generations to come. Subscribe, like, and comment something down below to join us on this incredible journey through the cosmos.